was a good time. It's packed. It feels like the shows are back.
This is Premiere Orlando, the leading education and beauty event of the world.
It's been amazing. This is my second day.
Shout out to Premiere. The show's been awesome.
There are so many beautiful people that come together. Premiere is definitely the show to go to.
This was the biggest one yet.
This is one of the shows every year that I cannot miss.
It's a massive show to bring this many people together. It's been phenomenal, man. I'm loving it.
Just the connections and the relationships you're able to build here, it's amazing. One word that describes Premiere Orlando.
Super sexy.
Crazy.
It's crazy.